everything what happens is really beautiful. So I expect to achieve, to see as much as possible, to watch interesting things, and yeah, looking forward what to expect. Hi. So yesterday we were brought to the place. I'm not going to evaluate how it looks, but from yesterday to today it's completely the life changed. Yesterday we thought that we arrived in a really very terrible, tough environment, cold, snowy, dark. It really was very, very upset. We thought, what? Where we arrived? And this morning we woke up and we opened our tents and we saw the scenery, the temperature. As you see now, I'm standing in a t-shirt after the bath, taking in the nature. So around is snow, but it's really hot. And the most interesting thing, the scenery, which really taking your breath away. And what you want to do, only to raise your head, watch around, contemplate on that, enjoy. It's amazingly, and it's really difficult to express it. It's no words.
Your good name?
Michalina, hi. I'm from Poland, from Warsaw, and we finally reached Lapchi after 2 days of walking, of hiking. The last meters were really tough because you could feel that you lack oxygen, and but we finally reached it around 5 o'clock. It was still nice and snowy, but it was still the day. So you could see all the snowy mountains and all the new snow on the trees, and it was all white and very magical, to be honest. And tonight it was a full moon, so the view was amazing. It was mind-blowing because all the snowy mountains were lighted by the full moon and the sky was full of stars, and it was magical, really.
What's your name?
My name is Igor and I'm also from Poland.